Hello YouTubers, today I want to show off something we found when we came to the Coyote Camp this time. Usually when we come out to hiking, camping, when we first get to our campsites, we look around a little bit to see what's going on. And, you know, we've been to this Coyote Camp quite a few times now to film these videos. And this time when we got here, we looked around and we found someone that was nice enough to leave a bunch of extra wood piled up and ready to go. And looks like they practiced a little bit of bushcrafting or firecraft. Anyway, here's what we found. So it looks like the last people at the spot had a nice little fire. Plenty of extra wood. Looks like they might have used some steel wool to practice their firecraft with. And then over here, we noticed something a little interesting. Looks like they made a little bow drill to also try to start their fire with. Nice to see that other people come out here and practice a little firecraft. Looks like they had some marshmallows too, or wieners. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.